Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up identity protection with Experian Cyber Index easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Experian official website. Locate the sign in option at the top right of the screen. Click on sign in to access your account. If you have an account, enter your login credentials. If you do not have an account, select sign up to create one. Follow the prompts to fill in your personal information. Complete the registration process by verifying your identity. Once logged in, find the Cyber Index section on your dashboard. Click on Cyber Index to access its features. You will see various options for identity protection. Select the option that best suits your needs. Read through the details and instructions provided for that option. Confirm your selection to proceed with the setup. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter any required information. Make sure to provide accurate and up-to-date details. Review your setup choices before finalizing. Once everything looks correct, click on the Confirm button. You may receive a confirmation email shortly after setup. Check your email for any additional instructions or verification. Log back into your account to review your Cyber Index protection settings. Explore the various tools and resources available for managing your identity. Regularly check your Cyber Index dashboard for updates and alerts. Stay proactive about monitoring your identity protection. Familiarize yourself with the customer support options in case you need assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.